Oh boy. Now let's see how we will tackle this. Hey, das war's werden. I knew you would hear it. Mr. Monkey. I didn't hear that name for a long time now. Nah, not that far. There's a friend of mine that always calls me that. What explains it? Ah, of course. I have a problem here. When there's a problem, I need paint. Let's say we have this formation, it's water, and this guy is sleeping. Something like that. This guy has the ability to cure status effects and starts a charge. Also starts a charge for something else. This guy starts with the healing magic that now comes here and heals everyone. Now this guy is healed. But he cannot do his turn because he didn't charge. Is this a behavior I want to do? In Jade Cocoon 2, this doesn't happen. There they charge one by one. And then this guy can do his attack. Now at one point I have to implement something where healing stuff will be cast first. Or even go beyond that and tell the ARPlings in the menu who is doing his ability first. I don't know if that breaks the flow. I mean, we are in a turn-based game anyway, so there is almost no flow anyway. It is complicated. If I want to do this, I would need to change a whole bunch of things. I would need to essentially refactor this whole thing. Well, not whole, but still I would need to do that. Like this part with the listeners. Do I want to tackle this? And if I refactor this, then my way of charging will be the one like in Jade Cocoon 2, which I dislike. I really wanted to have them charge simultaneously, which makes it so you don't have to wait for the charging animation. You only see it once and then they do their abilities, which gives it a flow. If I do it like Jade Cocoon, then you see charge, attack, charge, attack, charge, attack. And I don't like this. But this has the what is the word? Volatile. Advantage that if one is sleeping and in the same round is getting cured, he can do his animation. Which I like. Is there a way to combine these two? I think not. And just deciding for something feeling good, as in you don't wait and whatever, against gameplay, and I'm not even sure if it's a good change for gameplay. Just shifts the balancing act. Oh my god, why is it? I just want to implement the sleeping ability, man. I have to let it like this because I really like this. This cannot go away. This means if I want something like this to happen, I would need to implement a special case, which is not elegant. As in this use case. This guy sleeps. They do the charge animation. This guy does the healing ability. Wait, and this goes away. Now what? This guy charges? Maybe I can do it something like this. While this guy does the ability or something, this guy charges and then does the attack. Then you have to wait a little. Yeah, maybe there is a... Wait, maybe not that elegant, but it would be better than ditching this. I mean, ditching this. Oh god, whatever. I will listen to you and I will just keep going. So what I have to do now is when I check or as in when I want to do an ability, I need to check if the Orpling is sleeping or not. Now there's another problem, but I think I solved it in my head already. You have the status effect, sleep. And if you punch this guy, this is a fist, by the way. He wakes up. So if the enemy starts while one of yours is sleeping, they hit him, then it's your turn, but this guy is awake. Do I then do the ability? Because in curing, you don't do the ability, but if you get punched, you got to do the ability. So do I just skip this guy and then remove his sleep after the round is over because he got punched? Or do I remove the sleep immediately? I think in Jade Cocoon it is like you can punch, all three of them can punch, make a critical hit even because he's sleeping, and then your Orplings are on turn and he's still sleeping, and after both are over, then he wakes up because he got punched. Do I want to keep it like this? It would make sense because even though I don't like it that much, it would be similar to how our healing is behaving. So no matter what we do, we have to check the status here anyway. If we want to do an ability thing. So if he is KO or is sleeping, then don't do this stuff. The same for first Orbling and second Orbling ability Call Loop, which then goes to skip. So how will we call this? Oh, by the way, did you see my status effect for confusion? Do you want to see? Look. It's stars. But these stars are too transparent. I guess I messed up here. This guy looks like not the star like I have here. Would you know why this yellow is a different one than this? But now there is no transparency. Do I do this? Ah. Well, didn't change it that much. But it's better, I think. I think this is still a different yellow. Oh, how can I make it like darker? Would I need to like subtract like maybe it's the emissive one. Is that the problem? Could also multiply, as you say. Make it half as dark. Why did it die? Hello? Why is it dead? He doesn't want anymore. Thank you, Unreal. Well, it got darker, but it's not what I wanted. Well, whatever. Anyway. What the heck? Where did it go? Excuse me? Why is it here? Where did it go? Okay, for now it stays here, I don't care. Did I make this pure? Maybe I should. Are you kidding me? There we go. With this, we skip now sleep. Now the problem is, if I use the healing ability, it heals it immediately. So if he passes here, he will come through and will do his ability even though he didn't do the charge. So I would need to make a special case here. Or handle the healing differently. Like maybe these status effects get cleared after the round. You just flag them as needs to be cleared. I guess that's the way we have to go. In the phase where you regain MP and stuff, you also have to do the decay of the abilities, the status effects, and maybe the decay is set to 0. Is there any status effect that is like stays there forever until the battle is over? Like in Jade Cocoon 2, the poison effect would stay there forever. Sleep, you would wake up after some rounds. From Confuse, you would also get rid after a while. Only poison and petrification was like forever until you either finished the rounds or got healed. I guess this is a design choice I have to take after a while. Why is it a nice word? Okay. And with this, sleep should be implemented. Let's see if we can find any bugs. I also need to make the particle system for the sleeping. Oh. What happened? It's dead. It's too strong. I forgot to remove the attack power from the override. Yeah. This needs to be 0. Oh damn, that's so throwback. Okay, now... they should have skipped, but they didn't skip. I guess they did not get the status effects. I have to check what happens here. Or maybe they did get the status effect and I'm not checking correctly. Let's see. That goes to false, right? I mean, I wouldn't trust this calculation when I'm at this breakpoint because the calculation happens afterwards. But still. Let's go here. In. Now, we have sleep. Data table is there. Now, will it find it? It does find it. So, the main thing is, this thing has this added. This works. Which means you have to check the charge. Why does this turn false? Because permanent. Where is this function? God damn it. I hate. I swear, every single fucking Unreal Engine version, they changed this hotkey from Control W to Control D. And if you now press Control W, it closes the fucking tab. Thank you. We are sorry that you feel that way. Alright, this should have fixed it now. Ah, it would have fixed it if I used it. Hold on. Where do I use it? Here. Is it pure? Yeah. Okay. Temporal. That's so. So temporal. Temporal. And temporal. Ta-da! Now it's implemented. Now I am applying the status effect with the function to damage. But if I do damage, I need to flag the status effect to be cleared. So I need to make a special case or some other function to apply sleep. Mati is not animating. What are you talking about? They're animating. Yes, I know, I didn't add the Valk thing because I'm still at the battle system and not in the overworld system. So now, the players were not able to do anything. If I do this again, it's locked. Why is it locked? Because of this? Which means if I have a dead Orpling, this cannot happen, right? Whatever. Fire. Or does it just wait for one? I mean, that could be. Which means it would be locked if everyone is dead. Let's try. So I would assume that after this round all my Orplings are dead, and then I cannot do anything because the input is locked. Let's see. Never mind, this guy survived. Would he survive another round? He does survive it. Damn it. Just 16? That's nothing. He's too strong. Okay, let's change his stat for casting purposes. The potion is not too strong for him. Like this. Now he will die with the first attack, hopefully. He didn't die! Well, he died now, so... So now I'm locked, right? Yes, perfect. So we found out that there is still a bug. Because if this is empty, this is never getting called. Which means I need to call both of them? Not being able to call loop. With and, I guess. this. What? Am I tripping? I am, aren't I? Warpling. Ability call loop. Ah, okay, there we go. I guess. Ah, this is really bad. I guess I have to do this? Then I have to see anyone is registered. Where do I register? Here. Ah. Now with this should work again. Oh god. Oh god, oh god. Okay, sleep. Let's see if this fixed it. Holy shit. That hurts in the brain, man. Well, you did try. Alright, the round is over. And it works. Okay, this works. Which means now I should add the particles for sleeping. What's this? How is this possible? He's not using paint? Did he gone mad? We don't know. How can I make this like to erase completely without just making it a little? Like very, very strong. Would you know? Not a kanten. Oh, not a kanten. Yes, because of alpha. Why else would I use this? I sometimes use GIMP. I like the layers. And I hear the new paints of Microsoft has layers. They go with the time, you say. They really took their goddamn time. Beautiful, isn't it? Leap. Every time I install GIMP, it installs it at German. It's so fucking annoying. What do you mean? Don't install it multiple times? I don't. You mean for multi-user? I don't do that. For now, hey, das war's wert. What would I need to change here so this thing is not so blurry? Map mapping.